If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to upgrade your home in Sumter, large picture windows are an option worth serious consideration. These expansive windows are designed to provide unobstructed views, abundant natural light, and a modern aesthetic that instantly elevates both the interior and exterior of your home. Beyond looks, picture windows offer practical advantages that fit perfectly with the lifestyle, climate, and housing styles common in Sumter. More natural light for brighter living spaces. One of the most noticeable benefits of large picture windows is the amount of natural light they bring into your home. Sunlight makes rooms feel larger, warmer, and more welcoming. In Sumter, where sunny days are common, picture windows allow homeowners to fully enjoy daylight without relying heavily on artificial lighting. This can make living rooms, dining areas, and family spaces feel more open and comfortable throughout the day. Natural light also has mood-boosting benefits. Many homeowners find that brighter rooms feel more relaxing and energizing, making picture windows a smart upgrade for spaces where families gather or unwind. Unobstructed outdoor views. Large picture windows are fixed windows without grids or moving parts, which means nothing interrupts the view. Whether your home overlooks a landscaped yard, mature trees, or a peaceful neighborhood, picture windows allow you to enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home. This connection to the outside is especially appealing in Sumter, where greenery and seasonal changes add to the area's charm. For homeowners who value curb appeal and scenic surroundings, picture windows frame outdoor views like artwork, turning nature into a focal point inside the home. Improved energy efficiency. Modern picture windows are built with advanced glass options that help regulate indoor temperatures. Because these windows don't open, they are tightly sealed, reducing air leaks and drafts. When paired with energy-efficient glass, picture windows can help keep your home cooler during hot summer summers and more comfortable during cooler months. By minimizing heat transfer, picture windows can also contribute to lower energy bills. Homeowners often notice improved indoor comfort without overworking their heating and cooling systems. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Since picture windows don't have hinges, locks, or sliding components, they typically require less maintenance than operable windows. There are fewer moving parts to wear out, which means fewer repairs over time. Cleaning is also straightforward, especially when the window is installed in an accessible area. This durability makes large picture windows a long-lasting investment for Sumter homeowners who want beauty without constant upkeep. Modern style and increased home value. Large picture windows create a clean, modern look that appeals to today's homebuyers. Even in more traditional Sumter homes, picture windows can blend seamlessly with the right design choices. Their ability to enhance natural light and visual space often makes rooms feel more upscale and thoughtfully designed. Because of their visual impact and energy-efficient benefits, picture windows can also increase your home's resale value. Many buyers see them as a desirable feature that adds both comfort and style. Custom design flexibility. Picture windows can be customized in size, shape, and placement to suit your home's layout. They work beautifully as standalone features or paired with smaller operable windows on the sides for ventilation. This flexibility allows homeowners to enjoy the best of both worlds: expansive views and fresh airflow when needed. A smart upgrade for Sumter homes. Installing large picture windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade, it's a lifestyle improvement. From brighter interiors and beautiful views to energy savings and added value, picture windows offer benefits that homeowners in Sumter can appreciate year-round. If you want to enhance your home's comfort, appearance, and connection to the outdoors, large picture windows are a solution that delivers lasting results.